kiddos, this is Miss Stark with another video. This time we're going to be looking at square roots and rational numbers. So we've already dealt with square roots and we've dealt with some cube roots as well. But this time we're just going to look at square roots with fractions. So for problem number 1, it says, how do you find the square root of a fraction? So to find the square root of a fraction, you just find the square root of the numerator, which is the top number, and denominator, as if they were two separate numbers. So an example, let me get my equation. An example of this would be, let me grab the square root. Where is it? There it is, square root 1/4. So here I need to find the square root of 1 and the square root of 4. Well, the square root of 1 is 1, the square root of 4 is 2. And that's all that is I found the square root of 1, square root of 4. So another way this could be written is 1/4. Let's see if this works. Yep, it did. Okay. So this is another way it could be written. Both mean the same thing. Okay, so here we're going to simplify these fractions. So we'll do 2 of these and then 2 of the third section as well. So here, the square root of, we'll do this with this, just to show you how to do fractions this way. The square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 25 is 5. So here's my number, and now I can just draw a line between them. So this is how you can draw a line if you don't like using the equation tool. Okay. Here we do have a negative sign outside, so we need to make sure we have that negative sign. So I'm going to use the equation bar this time. So there's my negative sign. Square root of 16 is 4. And the square root of 36 is 6. And there we go. There's our answer for this one too. Easy peasy. And if it has a negative sign outside, you just keep it. It doesn't affect anything else. And do not simplify your answers because then they would not be correct. So please don't simplify. Here we're finding square roots for decimals. However, it's just like finding the square root of numbers. So here we have 0.16. If you are confused on how to find square roots on a calculator, let me show you that. So here we have the 2 root x. You click it and it just did the square root of 0. So here we're going to do 0.16, then hit it, and it gives me 0.4. So my answer is negative 0.4 because there's a negative in front of the square root. Okay, here, well, I know the square root of 64 is 8, but let me make sure if it's going to be 0.8, or maybe it's going to be 0.08. So let's make sure. Yep, 0.8. And that's it. That's all you're doing for this. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this video has helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!